Remember the joke where there was this philosophical question asked about who would bring change in our lives? And the bus conductor replies that change needs to be brought by the passengers themselves and not to expect conductor to give change every time.
Yes.
Here, the play of words change means two different things and are used to portray a different point of view. A different point of view brings about instant surprise and thus immediately grabs the attention of your target audience. Recently, in a discussion, there was this question that if falling in love is so beautiful, then why is it referred to as falling in love and not rising up in love? Many people put their point by saying it's not a linear journey. Sometimes you fall, sometimes you rise. And another person said it's referred to as falling because we cannot take decisions for ourselves anymore as another person is involved. And so we lose our high ground of taking any decision selfishly. Hence, it is referred to as falling. But the most interesting point was shared by this person who said, fall is actually a reference to the fall season, which lies between summer and winter, two extremes. So, fall actually signifies balance, just like two partners in love. There was an audible ah across the room. The shock and awe technique is sure shot way to take your public speaking to the next level.